Alright, so for this question is a section B question about linearization of logarithm. So you can actually imagine the graph expressed in terms of y equals to mx plus c, okay? So you can see that, alright, the x-intercept of the graph is around 1/16, and it passes through a point probably like 64, 5. So you can actually draw a line. This one is 0. You can actually draw a line here, right? Alright. So and actually you can substitute the points into the given graph. Okay, so you can see that 5 equals to m plus log and 64. So you can automatically formulate the first equation, and the secondly will be the this will be the first point. Let me use blue, and the second point, let me use orange. It will be 1/16 and 0. So the second point will be 0 equals to m plus log n 1/16. This is the second, okay? The second equation, okay? So you can basically easily simplify, and you can, if you have two equations, two unknowns, then you can actually solve the simultaneous equation, but you can use the method of substitution, because you can see m is isolated, you can easily isolate m, right? So from 2, m equals to negative log, m equals to negative log n 1/16. Right? So you can calculate 5 equals to negative log n over 1/16 plus log n 64, right? And then you can rearrange it to a proper manner. Alright, so from this you can see same base, right? So you can actually group them together, log n. Okay, for minus it will become division, okay, 1/16. So 5 log n 64 divided by 1/16 equals to 1024. All right, this is the first thing you can know, the first property of logarithm. You can use the property of log, that log a x minus log a y equals to log a x over y. Okay, and then you can see, then do you remember the properties of logarithm, that this one will become the base, so base and times the power of 5, this one become exponent, equals to 1024, right? So the answer for n will be 5/1024, which is equal to 4. All right, this is the value of n. So afterwards you can substitute n equals to 4 into the equation for, say like this one is the third equation, say like 3. Okay, substitute 4, n equals 4 into 3. So m equals to negative log 4 1/16. So you can press in the calculator. M is equal to 2. All right, so you can automatically calculate, solve m and n, so that therefore you can reach a final conclusion that y equals to m, which is 2, plus log 4x, right? Okay, so this is the end of the question. Not yet, because the question requires you to express your answer x in terms of y. So you need to make x as the subject, okay? So how can we make x as the subject? So y minus 2 equals to log 4x, right? Oh, so actually you can know that x is actually the isolated item, and then this one will be the base, and this one will be the exponent. So it will be x equals to 4 to the power of minus 2, and this will be the final answer for this question.